Okay, hi, Andy here. Just wanted to do a very quick um, early preview demo of the new Athena Orbiter UI app for iOS. This is still very much in development, so it's not finished, and we're still ironing out a few bugs. But I wanted to just give you a quick look at this before we do maybe a slightly more extensive video upload, probably at the weekend. So here you can see my iPad mini, and you can see the Athena icon. Even the icon isn't finished yet, as you can see. But let's launch the Athena app. It launches, it caches some of the UI, so it waits a little short time after loading while it caches stuff. And here in the opening screen, you can see the couple of widgets that we provide, which give you the local temperature and local time for wherever your nerve centre is. I should say this demo is being done remotely. I'm at home. The nerve centre I'm connecting to is remote back at the office, and so we're using remote access to connect to that, just like you would do if you had a remote. If you were remote from your nerve centre, you could access across your internet connection wherever you happen to be back to your nerve centre, just like I am now. So the UI hasn't really changed that much. We've got a ribbon bar at the top which has a bunch of icons that let you get at different parts of your system. If I go to Spotify, you can see the kind of performance we're getting over remote access. Which is not very good. Let's try that again. Let's go to audio. See if we get a different. There we go. Right. We'll go back to Spotify just to make sure that. That doesn't seem to be working for some reason. I'm not sure why. Give it one more try. No. Okay. Well, it is a beta. Here we go. So I've just gone back to video there. I just pushed the video button in the ribbon bar at the top, and we've got cover art coming in live from the remote server for all of the ripped movies that we got stored on the demonstration system I'm connected to. We're in a particular room called Lounge Audio. I'm going to go to a different room. I'm going to go to Lounge, which lets me demonstrate some other bits of hardware that we've actually got hooked up in that room. So you can see, as before, we've got this grey bar at the bottom of the window, which shows you some status information about the room that you're in. Now I'm now in the lounge room, and that happens to have a Denon amplifier in it, and it's showing me some information. It's showing me the audio has been provided through the Denon amplifier, and it's showing me some controls here. It's showing me I'm currently playing Spotify, because that was the last thing I selected, or maybe somebody else selected it, because there are multiple people using this system at the moment. And it shows me the volume level in that particular room. So if I change my source that I'm controlling, I've just pushed the sources button there, and let's change that to one of the skyboxes. Skyboxes is a UK set-top box that we can control. We've got two in this particular room, or in this particular system. I'll touch Digibox 1, and you'll see, there you go, you'll see the Digibox UI coming back for that particular box. The little black bar that's popping down at the top is I've got notifications switched on this iPad, and so you're going to see some stuff coming in. I should have turned that off before I did the demo, but I haven't, so bear with me on that one. One of the things I wanted to show, I'm showing this UI in portrait mode, and that's one of the nice features of the Athena UI, is that it's built responsively. So if I rotate the iPad, you'll see that the UI responds and lays itself out differently. So you can have your UI respond automatic. That's all implemented in HTML5. So you could develop a skin for Athena which did something different in that situation, but you could build the rules in to do that. I'll just rotate it back again. You'll see it lays out differently. All of these graphics are individual items rather than full screen bitmaps like we used to have in the old Orbiter, and you'll see they're drawn at quite high resolution. I'm not sure if that's really coming across in the video, but if you see this live, these are very, very high quality graphics. Other than that, I'll show you lighting quickly. We've got some new, so the lighting has changed a little bit, the layout's slightly different. There's still some work going on the lighting side, which will change the layout of the screen, but again, because it's HTML5, that part is not part of the application, it's part of the UI that's being hosted back on the Nerve Center. And as before, you'll see that these sliders actually work. It's quite hard touching these things and filming at the same time. So let's move this one. See there. I'll get rid of that notification. And let's go to sources again. And we'll show another device. This one's a Blu-ray player, and again that lays out differently, responsively. One last thing I'm going to quickly show you. I'm sorry this demo is a little bit unpracticed, but I just want to do this very quickly. If I hit the system icon here in the bar, that brings up a iOS window which is part of the application, and that lets me set some things. Do I want to allow this application to use mobile data if I'm using a SIM-based iPad using mobile data, or if I've connected through an access point to a mobile phone, for example? This would let me to protect myself from running up big data bills. I've got a connection here to the demo call. You can have any number of those listed here. I've only got one, and that it enables you to set up different kinds of connections to different systems. And I'm connected remotely. I can change the connection type from local to remote, and that's about it. That's the Athena Orbiter in development. Still a bit beta, but we hope to have a release of this Orbiter ready for beta testers outside of our team, hopefully early next month. So look out for another video over the weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.